Previously, I showed you how to convert the Black & Decker vacuum from using the lousy battery to using Milwaukee M18 batteries. These batteries are so much better than the regular Black & Decker batteries. Without any batteries, this vacuum weighs about 2.5 pounds. I would say this vacuum is pretty good for regular household work. The only problem with this is that it's kind of short, so you have to be on your knees if you want to vacuum anything. Today we're looking at this Milwaukee vacuum. It is much chunkier and heavier at 4.3 pounds, as you can see. Here's the Milwaukee vacuum versus the Black & Decker vacuum. Here's another angle to let you see how much bigger the Milwaukee is compared to the Black & Decker. The kit I got came without any batteries, and here are all of the attachments. So yeah, you can be standing upright and vacuum the whole place if you have to. No need to get on your knees. Let's take a look at the Milwaukee from various angles. Yep, this big boy is chunky. To install the battery, just slide it in the back. To get the most out of any vacuum, you have to make sure that the filter is super clean. For this vacuum, this is how you do it. Once the cover is popped off, rotate counterclockwise to remove the filter. It's not super clean, but it's clean enough. To get it back on, all you have to do is place it back in and then rotate clockwise to lock it in position. Now let's close the lid. We'll just do everything backward. Done. The trigger is kind of weird. I know it feels like it's pressure sensitive, but it's not. So when you press it, it's either on or off. There's no such thing as 10%, 50% pressure. On or off, that's it. All right, let's do a quick demo of the Milwaukee in action. You got the various attachments as seen earlier. To install them, just slide in or slide right out. Here's a typical trash of Cat 5 and Cat 6 laying all around after I installed the security cameras and networks for various companies around Philadelphia. You can see that the Milwaukee easily handles the trash no problem. Next up, we got the Black & Decker doing the same thing. The entrance is way too small than the Milwaukee. But you can see that it handles the same trash without any issue. Yeah, it's pretty good. If you don't want to vacuum anything on your knees or lower your back or break your back like that, get the Milwaukee because the attachments is worth it and it's pretty powerful. Alright, hopefully this video helps you decide whether this Milwaukee vacuum is good enough for what you do. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.